In this video, I will show you how to simply rotate your photo on your Windows PC without using any software. Let me show you how. Like for instance, you want to make sure that you open the photo with Windows Photo Viewer. Okay, having opened the photo with the Windows Photo Viewer, I'm going to use this image here as an example. So what we want to do is to simply navigate to the top right here. Click on this rotation icon right here. Click on it and then continue to rotate until you are satisfied, just like so. Once you are able to satisfy with the current result of the photo, the next thing you want to do is to export the photo and save it into your folder. For that, go ahead and click on these three dots from the top right here, and then go ahead and click on save right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Then you can save to whatever destination. I'm saving this to desktop, and I'm going to save it as rotate. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit on save. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.